Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We want to solve the value of x. So we have a typical equation of an exponential equation. That is 3a raised to x is equals to 135. So I'm going to take you through step by step until you find the value of x. So if you're watching for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and make sure you leave a comment. So on the solution part, for me to solve this index equation, I know I have 3 raised to x is equals to 135. Of course, I'm going to start by introducing logarithms on both sides so that I have the log of 3 raised to x is equals to the log of 135. Well, I know if I have the log of a raised to n, then this of course can be written as n to the log of a. So applying that law here, then of course I'm going to have x to the log of 3 is equals to the log of 135. Well, at this stage, I'm going to divide all through by log 3, so that I remain with x as, I know the log of 3 divided by the log of 3. So I'm going to get log 135 divided by log 3. So well, at this particular point, I'm going to find the factors of 135. Of course, that is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So this gives me the factors of 135, of course, which can be written as 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 5. So where there is 135, I'm going to write 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 5. So now x becomes the log of 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 5 divided by the log of 3. While at this stage, remember I said if I have the power, then the power can come down as n log a. So I'm going to apply it here again. So now my x now becomes 3 to the log of 3. And at the same time, also recall that if you have the log of a multiplied by b, then this of course can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. Since they are multiplied, then they can be separated as addition. So that means I'm going to write 3 log 3 plus the log of 5. Then I'm going to divide all through by log 3. Yes, of course, at this stage, I can cancel the logs so that I have x now becomes 3. Log 3 and log 3 going to cancel, and then I remain with 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3 as my solution for x. Well, so for me to simplify it again, I'm going to recall that if I have the log of a divided by the log of b, then of course this is going to be written as the log of a base b, since the bases are the same. Next stage, so x now becomes as 3 plus the log of 5 base 3, log of 5 base 3 for the value of x. Well, so at this particular point, we're going to verify if indeed the actual value of x is 3 plus log 5 over 3. I know my equation was 3 raised to x is equals to 135. So where I have x, I'm going to replace 3 plus log 5 over 3. 3 plus log 5 over 3. We want to test if it indeed going to give us 135. So guys, let me take this opportunity to remind you to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and especially if you are viewing us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe. So we continue. If I have a power m plus n, then this gonna be separated as a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. So the powers are added, it means it can be multiplied when the bases are the same. So applying that here, then I'm gonna have 3 raised to power 3 now multiply by 3 raised to log 5 over 3 should be equals to 135. Well, 3 raised to 3 goes without saying as gonna give us 27. What do you think? 27? 27, and then I multiply by 3 raised to the log of 5 base 3 is equals to 135. And then I'm going to recall again, if I have a raised to log b base a, when the bases are the same, as you can see here is a and here is a, then of course it goes without saying that my answer becomes b. So applying this relationship there, then I'm going to have 27 multiplied by, so the bases are the same, 3 and 3. So this one going to change now to 5. Should be equals to 135. So for your own benefit, what do you think if you take 27 multiplied by 5? If I give you a moment, of course, you realize that 27 times 5 is the same as 135, which is equals to 135. And indeed, my left-hand side equates to my right-hand side. That proves that indeed the actual value of x is 3 plus log 5 over. So able to see that the value of x now remains as 3 plus log 5 over 3, which is the required solution for our problem. So until we meet again in the next video, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Remember, I have also a playlist. You're gonna check it out and watch. Thank you, and let us meet in the next video.